Hey there! This channel is generating thousands of dollars just making quiz videos. Look, millions of views each video. I couldn't believe it, so I went to Social Blade to know how much money he had generated with a single video. And, surprise, between $1K and $8K dollars. Crazy. Do you want to learn how to create these videos? You are in the perfect place. I will show you step by step how to do it. And these videos are faceless, so you won't share your awesome face. Start generating passive incomes with automated channels and subscribe to this channel for more content. We will be using two AI tools, ChatGPT for the prompt and Canva for the design and bulk create. First of all, we will tell ChatGPT to create this prompt. I will be leaving the full prompt on the description, so go check it out. This will be generating exactly what we need. 15 general knowledge questions about geography or science. It will be leaving the correct answer below so that we know them. Now, let's head to Canva and choose video and YouTube video. Now let's find a background for this. Spiral background can be good for this kind of videos. Let's reduce the duration to 7 seconds. Pressing the R, we will be creating shapes for our design. The first shape will be a yellow circle. By the way, we are going to add a black border for all the shapes of the design you will see. We will place this circle above in the left. This will show the enumeration. Now we will create another shape for the question bracket. Here is where we will place the question. Now we need to create 3 more shapes to add the possible answers, all the same size and color. Moreover, we will add a circle to each in which we will add a B or C answer. Just like this, it is very easy if you copy and paste the elements you already have. You will be very fast that way. Now we will create the timer, so be very focused on this. Some of you have problems with it, however it is not that hard. Remember, press the R and choose this shape. It is just a rectangle. Take the default shape and make it shorter but longer. Then you can add border and change the color into another different. This will make the video more attractive. Now we will add text. We will choose a black outline and white color for the text. You will find the outline effects section. You can try any other, but I think that black outline and white color is very attractive. We can think up a question, we just need a draft. Later we will create videos in bulk using the table from ChatGPT. As you can see, I invented this question, capital of the UK. Now I will add the possible answers and the enumeration. Okay, now let's invent answer A, answer B, and answer C. One of them must be correct, of course. All right, we have it. Now we will search for a green background that will be placed on every correct answer after the clock ticking. We need to adjust it so that it fits properly on the answer. We will transform it into a rectangle using the border and corner option here. Okay, important part again. Now we will send backwards the layer so that the white circle can be visible. But do not send the green background under the spiral background. As you can see, it fits properly on all the answers, just what we need. Now let's add the animations to each element of the design. For the enumeration, we can use a pop animation on both. For the question, we can use a shift animation. For each answer, we can use a fade animation. You can find the animation section above or right-click on the element. Now we're going to create the timer animation. Pay attention to this. We will use wipe animation and reduce the speed to the minimum. That's all you have to do. All right, now we will adjust the timing of the green rectangle. It will appear in the last 2 seconds. Right-click on the mouse and select Show Timings. Reduce the duration to 2 seconds at the end. And this is how it would look like. By the way, you can add a fade animation to it as well. I will do it later. Now copy the table that you got from ChatGPT earlier and head to Canva again. You will go to Apps and search Bulk Create. Select Add Data manually. And paste the table on here. You can also delete these empty rows. Now it is time to connect all the elements we have with our table. So right-click on the mouse and connect data. The enumeration with the 1, the question with the question, and the answers with the options A, B, and C. And continue to generate your 15 pages. Wait for the magic trick, and here it goes. As you can see, we have 15 pages, but some elements aren't placed properly because they are too big. We can fix that manually. It won't take too much time. Now we need to find the correct answers and place the green rectangle on them manually. Please check that the answers are correct. I didn't do it until I finished. It was a mess. Next step is to go Elements and find a great image for each questions. This makes the video much more engaging. Unfortunately, we cannot bulk create automatic images. We need to select them manually. After adding all the images to our video, we will start selecting a clock ticking and a ding sound for correct answer. This is how I found this clock ticking. Now we will split the audio so that when the clock ends, the ding sounds. This is me deciding which sound to choose. I finally chose that one, and it matches very well with the video. I already added all the sounds, and that's me adding fade animations to the images. Those are the final details that make a video great. Enjoy the final result. You can also add voiceover. What gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Okay, that is enough. What do you think about it? Pretty good, I think. A little reminder, if you didn't like the background, you can also change right now. Some good keywords for the search are questions tags. There are multiple nice background for these quizzes. Finally, you will download the video. You can download it even in 4K or in separate files. If there are any issues with the download, use your mobile to download it. Comment below if you need help with the design. I will be answering your comments. You can also comment what video you would like to see in the channel.